Goodbye, Hawaii. Hello, Tokyo. I met up with my new friend Joey, and we got to go sail with his wife and the owner on this awesome little boat in Tokyo Bay.
Tokyo Marina. Oh, there's a circle now. That's cool. Fuji over there. Lots of snow.
Salmon Japan.
Yeah. We're on Pacific Seacraft 31. All right.
Tokyo Bay.
Yeah. Okay. Cool setup. Yeah. We're gonna troll a line. We're going under. Ah, it works great. Yeah.
Capsize.
Yeah, because then if the mass fills up with water and it gets a little heavier. This is a 420, the boat I learned how to sail on. Back in. No fish this trip. Maybe next time.
The wind was a little light and we didn't catch any fish, but we still had a great time out on the water with these guys.
The bike made it in one piece. The fun part. Unwrap it again. We're gonna go on a bike ride to the Windmills.
Oh, I see.
Dinghy club over here. Be cool if we could rent one of these. Alright, we made it to the windmill. Samurai Museum. Sweet.
Yeah.
I'm at Takao-san Kuchi Station and I'm gonna climb up Takao-san Mountain. Alright, now we're hiking. The cemetery over here. There's a monkey part. Let's go see. Alright, those are monkeys. Some Buddhas. It's kind of cool. Whoa. Yeah, it's some kind of temple type deal. So I'm going down the number 6 trail. It's much less people, much nicer. I think it was the number 1 trail on the way up. It's a bunch of stuff, but it wasn't really all that interesting. Oh boy, snakes. It's a pretty good view over here. Where are we eating, Sydney?
I'm eating at the place.
This place.
This place.
What do they have?
They have beef.
All right. The Typhoon's just starting up. It's a super typhoon. Raining pretty good out here. Wind hasn't really picked up too strong though.
The waves are getting bigger, a little faster.
Let's see what the wind sounds like.
Holy smokes. That's insane.
Make this thing close. Now the rain's going completely sideways. The wind is really pretty loud, even with the window closed. Can't even really see the ocean now anymore.
Really nice day now. You can see Mount Fuji.
Yeah, doesn't look like anything happened. All right, Japan trip number 3 is over. It's been good. Be back here in a couple weeks.
Okay, open. Oh, very good. Nice. Thank you.
I'm riding my bike around the Imperial Palace. It's kind of rainy, but it's kind of neat atmosphere, I guess. Pretty big. All right, we got our buddy Mike and Julie all the way from Australia. And we got our mini wings, not a full-size paraglider, and we're gonna try to find a place to fly. And we're very lost at this train station. Trying to find a bus.
It's very windy.
We made it out of the city. Now we're hiking up. It might be too windy to fly, but it's worth a shot. Best view of Fuji yet. We found the paraglider launch, but what's it say, Mike? It says, everybody's welcome. This is a very welcoming launch. Come right past this barbed wire. It's a welcoming wire.
Whoa.
Here's the launch, but it's a little too windy. And it's also there's an alarm system apparently.
So what's the weather like, Sam?
It's a little too windy, just a little bit. Otherwise, I'll be flying on the Mount Fuji soon. Not today though. Come back. Maybe this doesn't need sun. Is it even a crop? must be. What is it? B-roll. Onward! Today I'm on a mission to ride my bike to Skytree and Tokyo Tower. Alright, I just made it to Tokyo Tower on my bike. I'm gonna go ride around it and then we'll go to Skytree. Pretty cool. Oh, I can see the Skytree. Alright, I made it to the Skytree. This is where Disney's got me staying in Tokyo. It's pretty cool. Like, there's some weird stuff, like the fridge. You can open the door on this side or on this side. This is like a microwave and an oven. Got a pretty good view of the city. And then there's like even a whole another whole like bedroom over here. There's lots of windows and stuff. What else is weird? Oh yeah, so this is pretty wild. Like of course it's got the bidet like all the hotels, but this one, I haven't seen this one before. What? It's an automatic toilet seat. And it goes down too. And I'm digging this. This bath is amazing. So I got the shower in the tub. I kind of like that. So, pretty cool place. We gotta go down the slide.